So we're going to start with our function that we're creating and then importing. Function is print course dictionary tuples, and we're going to take the key and value from the input dictionary on those items, and we're going to sort the value, store that as val again, and we're going to print out the key and value pairs with the sorted values. Going to our main program, we're importing that file as t, creating a dictionary, few different lists here. We'll get into that. Then we go into the statement user input for the course name. Then we go on to the rest of the statement here where we're taking the user input for the course numbers, and we keep iterating through that until they break out of it. Once they do type done, we're taking that list that we created with those numbers and we're storing it in another list and then zeroing out that list for the next iteration. So we have a nested list that we're pulling into that dictionary. So then we take the statement here, create the dictionary, and down here we have the function that we're calling, and we'll run through that program. So we have ISIN, we'll do 100, 200, 300. We're done with that list. Then we go ISYS, we're going to do 111, and actually we're going to go 333 so can we see that it's sorted 222. And then we're going to hit done here, quit should run that, and there we go. So we have the output here, ISIN 100, 200, and 300, ISYS 111, 222, 333. As you can see, it's sorted.